is equals to open bracket 1 0 3, and then 4 3 minus 1 0 and 1. So let's solve this together. What we'll do is that in standard form, this is supposed to be the same thing as we'll change this to this. So this will be 1 0 3 and 4 minus 1. Sorry. This is 3 minus 1, and this is 0 1 and 2. So we have this. So we'll take this entry. This is plus minus plus. All right, look at this. So we'll take the first one. This is 1 plus 1 in bracket. Okay, plus 1. This is plus 1. And then when you take this one, you will delete this row and delete this column so that you take this 4. So this is 3 1 minus 1, and this is 2. Then we take plus this is 0, it's minus actually, so this is minus 0, and then we take, if we take 0, we delete this, we take this and this, so this will be 4, and this will be 0, this will be minus 1 and 2. So we are taking this one plus 3, and then we'll delete this, so we'll have 4 0 3 and 1. So we'll take the determinant of each of the 2 by 2 matrix. So this is the same thing as plus 1 open bracket. This time this will give us 6 minus this time this will give us minus 1, and then this will be minus 0 open bracket. This time this is 8. This time this minus 0, and then plus we have plus 3 open bracket. This time this is 4 minus this time this is 0 close bracket. So this will give us the same thing as plus 1. This minus this will give us 7, and then minus 0 times 8, and then this will give us, so this is plus 1 times 7, and then finally over there this will be 3 times 12. This will give us the same thing as this time. This will give us 7. This time minus 0, and then this will give us the same thing as, okay, this will give us when we multiply this, it's supposed to be 3 times 4, and then this will give us plus 12. Our final answer when we sum this one will give us 21. So it implies that the determinant of A